Welcome to our discussion about a delightful treat that many people enjoy. Today, we are focusing on Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix. This product is a great choice for those who want a light and airy dessert while keeping an eye on their dietary needs. Angel Food Cake is unique because it uses egg whites as its main ingredient. Egg whites are known for being rich in protein while being low in carbohydrates. This makes Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix an excellent option for those who are following a low-carb diet or who simply want to enjoy a delicious dessert without feeling guilty. When you use Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix, you can easily create a cake that is both fluffy and satisfying. The preparation is simple. Just add water and beat the mixture until it is fluffy. Then pour it into a pan and bake. In no time, you will have a beautiful cake that is perfect for any occasion. One of the best things about this cake mix is its versatility. You can enjoy it plain, or you can dress it up with fresh fruits or a light whipped topping. Strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries are excellent choices that add color and flavor. You can also drizzle a little honey or a sugar-free syrup for added sweetness. Because it is low in carbohydrates, this cake can fit into various diets. Whether you are watching your carb intake or simply looking for a lighter dessert option, Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix is a smart choice. It allows you to indulge without going overboard on calories or carbs. Another great aspect is that this cake is perfect for gatherings. If you are hosting a party or a family get-together, serving this cake can be a hit. It appeals to both kids and adults alike. Everyone loves the light texture and sweet taste. Plus, you can customize it to fit the tastes of your guests. If you are someone who enjoys baking but does not have a lot of time, this cake mix is a lifesaver. It cuts down on prep time while still delivering delicious results. You can whip it up in just a few minutes and it bakes in a short time as well. This makes it easy to fit into a busy schedule. Let's not forget about the nutrition aspect. Each serving of cake made from Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix is a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth. With the protein from the egg whites, it can help keep you feeling full longer. This can be especially helpful if you are trying to manage your weight. Many people appreciate the fact that this cake mix does not require any added sugars or fats. It is a simple and straightforward option for anyone who wants to enjoy a dessert without complicating their diet. This makes it a suitable choice for a range of dietary preferences. For those who love to experiment in the kitchen, this cake mix allows for creativity. You can add flavors like vanilla or almond extract to enhance the taste. You can also mix in ingredients like cocoa powder for a chocolate version or lemon zest for a refreshing twist. When you bake with Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix, you are not just making a cake. You are creating a sweet experience that can bring people together. Sharing this cake at celebrations or family dinners can create lasting memories. In conclusion, Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix is a wonderful option for anyone looking for a delicious, low-carb dessert. With its protein-rich egg whites and simple preparation, it is perfect for both everyday enjoyment and special occasions. So, if you are looking for a light and fluffy cake that does not compromise on taste, give this mix a try. Thank you for your time watching this. Like and subscribe for future content.